Today date 9, 11 month 2020, subject pattern class 7. Good morning my dear students. Welcome back to our online classes after a long time gap. I hope you all are doing your studies well. So more or less I have completed our syllabus of class 7. So I thought this today's chapter from literature section, Lobsen Chushipa, lesson 14 is little important. So I am going to go through it. So those are books you can turn into page number 67. Those who don't have books, so I'll click this chapter and send it to your WhatsApp group. From there you can see and you can watch the online class through YouTube. So let us start our chapter. The topic is Sapokha Changta. Sapok means a cave. Ka means face. Changta means looking at north. There is a cave and there is one boy and he's looking and he's turning his face towards north. So what is the reason? Let's see. Lobjo Dagarni Lobjonla Jantin Teni Mijekinshi Inres Shigres. There was one student named Dakar. Okay? Dakar means white as a moon. You can see the moon at night shines very bright. So his name is that. But he was very lazy and he doesn't do his work and studies at all. Gindu Gigi Luti Cheka Tiki Lotola Kecha Shepaham Kure Zingur Gawatan. Whenever the teacher teach in the class, he always talk with his desk partner and disturb others. He doesn't pay concentration in his chapter. Zindam Tolje Pame Nani Unkerde Ronyan Tawam Yana Tumla Kampa So Kain Mien Chegiris. After the school, he will go home and he asks money from his parents and he go to watch the movies in cinema hall. If he don't get that chance and he roams in the market and wastes his time looking here and there and hearing others people talk. The teacher always giving advice that pay attention in your class when we are having class. Don't disturb others and please try to learn something as the teacher giving advice every day in the class. And even the teacher asks him several questions in the class from the chapter. But the Dakar could not give answer even a single questions. Kenji Zindar Chekdui to Gegengi Dakarla Rangi Kuen Chayo Sechek Gube Labja things. One day, when there was free in the class, the teacher asked him and told him that you are doing many misbehave and you are not concentrating in your studies. And he asked many questions and gave many advice to the Dakar. Hinayam, but also Dagargi, Rangi Jangde, Shemboyeva, He, Gigingi Lopti, Chetan, Sepo Majungwar, Muzin Chegires. But the Dakar told to the teacher that you are not teaching in proper way. The Dakar told to the teacher that you are not giving us good education. And he doesn't think that he is doing misbehave. And he doesn't think that he himself is not doing good in studies. Actually, is it correct that teacher is not giving him a good education? That is not. Teacher always try to explain and make him understand, especially from all the students. He takes extra time for Dakar. The teacher gives extra time. The teacher always explain very clearly and make understand for all the students. The teacher give extra time for all the weak students after the school. One day. One day, we all the students, teacher took out outside and make us play the game and make a sound and make us feel happy outside the playground. Dakar kabu kajang tieshigi naundu gabni duitiringur nimajun. Dakar was hiding inside the cave, turning his face towards the north, and all the students were searching him. No one could find him outside in the ground. Tamar at the end, Dakar sabu nam chirten yomi. At the end, the Dakar came out. The Dakar boy came out from the cave and said, the sun is very hot, that's why I went inside the cave, he said. Nani, ni sabuk namdu, hyamji tenda chechum. I like to sit there, that's why I went inside the cave and I stayed. He said like that to the teachers and his friend. Got there, lockdown now. Gemo Amidu short songs. At that time, all the students laughed very loudly, looking at his face, looking at Dakar face. Gegenki Dakar ki kecha di serda mantu tiwa dida shi tanawa race. After hearing the voice of the Dakar, the teacher asked him a very silly questions. Sabu kanja tar niye mipogwa the kainam. How can you say that if you sit inside the cave that you are not going to heat, you are not going to get the heat of the sun? The teacher asked to the Dakar a simple questions. I heard the teacher say that I heard that sun give us bright and heat all over the world at a time. That there is no place that sun doesn't give heat and sun doesn't give light. The teacher asks. Here, nganzu len kaya matepar jam ting ye. But the Dakar could not give an answer. He sat quietly for a moment. Genagi ngangu rimpi goni Dakargi samchu de norware. After waiting for a long time, and the teacher gave a reply. What you are thinking, that is mistake. What you are thinking, that is mistake. That he thought that if I sit inside the cave, so that I won't get the heat of the sun. So the teachers thought for a while and gave him the answer that you are mistaken. Dakar, what you are doing, that is mistake. Not what is. The sun is such a planet that it gives heat and light. On the earth, there is no place that you can hide from the heat and the light of the sun. The thing is only that you are turning your face towards the north side. That's why you are not seeing the heat. You are not getting the heat, and now you are not seeing the light of the sun. Only the reason is that. It doesn't mean that if you sit there, you are not going to heat. You are not going to get the heat and the light. Only the problem is that you are facing your face towards the north side. That's why you are not getting the heat and the light from the sun. Perna, example.
Lobti Yabo, Mingen Hingi, Lobtogi, Chandi, Shembo, Yebati, Gigi, Lobti, Chetan, Niga, Choshin, Chebashi Mares. Example, the teacher teach equal for all the students. The only problem is that the students, those who don't listen in the class and those who don't concentrate to the chapter, they only cannot understand the syllables or the chapter. The problem is that the same thing, the sun gives us heat, the planet of sun gives us heat, but you are facing your face towards the north side, that's why you are not seeing the light and the heat. Only the problem is that. Same like that, as I am teaching you in the class, I am teaching equal for all the students. The problem is that you are not paying concentration in the class. That's why you are not getting any knowledge from the chapter. Chigres. Theni lokto rangigi lokti yago manye beken res. The reason is that only the students is not going through their syllabus nicely. That's why you are not getting a good education. This problem is same. The problem is same. Theni lokto rangigi lokti yago manye beken res. Sabu khaja tala niwe phok ma thobe gyunzenya thedar ta re che suba res. The same problem, you are facing your face towards the north side. That's why you are not getting the heat and the light of the sun. Only the problem is same like the students in the class. That's why you don't say that the sun, if you sit inside the cave, you won't get heat and the light. Kater dakar ki go gurgur chede samlo tangji dedus. At the time, the dakar shook his head and he was thinking nicely. When the teacher gave example to the dakar, he was thinking nicely. Thene sum, from that day onwards, dakar ki from that day onwards, the dakar paid full concentration in the class and listened to the teachers, whatever the teachers are teaching. From that day onwards, from that day onwards, Dakar was fully concentrating in his studies, in his chapter, and listening very carefully to the teachers, what the teachers are telling us, how the teachers are explaining us. He concentrated nicely, and he became a very brilliant student among the class. From that day onwards, he became a very good student and a very smart student, and he could give answer for all the questions from the chapter, whatever the teacher asked him. So this is the story of Dakar turning his face towards the north side. So my dear students, the moral of the story is this, that whenever teachers are teaching you or whenever someone elders are giving you advice, you have to listen carefully. You have to understand what the elders are telling you, what your parents are telling you, what the teachers are telling you. So if you do like that, you will be a very smart child or a very smart student. So moral of the story is, you have to pay concentration in every work, whatever you are doing. So I hope these are very important stories from the literature section, giving the examples of Dakar, the boy. That's why you should not be like a Dakar, wasting time here and there, asking money and roaming here and there. Instead of doing that, you have to pay concentration in your studies, even in this lockdown period, in this 2020 years. Okay, you are staying at home. If you don't go through the online classes, so you are not going to get anything, knowledge. So if you go through the online classes, watching and opening your books every day, so one day you will be a very brilliant student. So that is the story of that Dakar and the Dakar, the boy of Dakar. So here the words are there, question answers. I will mark and send it to you. And there are some words. Who said these words? Gigin or Dakar? Then I will mark and send it to you. You just copy it in your exercise copy with your good handwriting. When you are copying, please write down the date, write down the topic, and please write it clear and with a good handwriting. So we'll meet in next class. Till then, thank you.